The difference in time zone makes it difficult to make a call from Thailand to the United States. And the school's rules are so strict that I can't let any noise get out from my phone. Silent mode is the best choice, but in the silence moment in the class, the vibrating does make some noise. I open my phone and here's what she say. "Good morning, how are things today?" She keeps sending me these pictures every day. I was so annoyed with her, so I didn't send anything back. Until one day, she asked me this. "You think I'm annoying, right? Okay, I won't send you any messages anymore." I felt so frustrated, so I asked my brother. It turned out that he had faced this problem before. His solution is answering whenever he has free time. It doesn't have to be a whole sentence answering her question, just sending a sticker is also fine. So I sent her a sticker, she read, and then sent good morning pictures back. The problem is now solved. I could text with her in normal after that. We start to end the conversation with something like "love you" or "put on warm clothes." These words stopped me. Behind those same questions and endings, she was just worried about me studying abroad. Now her words reached me at the end, and I won't ignore her anymore.